With the 221 series compact lever connector, Vargo is providing electricians with a fast, easy and safe way to terminate fine stranded and solid conductors without tools. The 221 series portfolio includes 2, 3 and 5 wire connectors in 4mm and 6mm versions. The 4mm 32A version accommodates fine stranded conductors from 0.14 to 4mm, as well as solid and stranded conductors from 0.2 to 4mm. The 6mm 41A version connects all conductor types, ranging from 0.5 to 6mm. This flexibility permits a wide range of applications, especially when conductors of different types and sizes are used together. Strip the conductor according to the strip length guide printed on the side of the connector housing. Open the clamping unit via the easy-to-use orange lever. Insert the stripped conductor, then lower the lever to close the clamp. The transparent housing permits inspection of the conductor position. It clearly shows if conductors have not been inserted far enough, or if they've not been stripped properly. A gas-tight contact point provides durable and secure connection between the conductor and the current bar. Furthermore, 2 easily accessible test ports, one under the lever on the front of the connector and one on the back of the connector, simplify testing, even when installed. The 221 series is rated to T85 in compliance with EN 60998, making it ideal for increased ambient temperatures up to 85 degrees centigrade. These connectors have globally recognized approvals. Benefit from economical installations with Vargo's 221 series lever connector for all conductor types.